can access the workspaces from the menu on the left. Once inside the Workspaces page, you'll see the workspaces you either own or have been invited to collaborate in. Looking at the Workspaces tiles, you'll see Irene Sphere as the leftmost tile. As you can see, there's no description, but it does tell us when the workspace was created and when it was updated. If I want to add a description, I can click on the three little dots at the bottom of the tile, and I can see the type of information that I can access or modify with my own account. So, for example, if we look at Info, it tells me a little bit more about where it's stored. This workspace is on the EU server, when it was created, and who owns the workspace. By clicking Close, you're returned to the Workspace page. By clicking the three dots, we can go to the Edit function. This allows me to add a description, and that gives any user with access to the workspace more information about what they'll be accessing. Click Update to save changes. Back to the three dots, and this time we'll click on Access Control, where we can change and modify users' rights and see who has access and who can invite people to your workspace. If you want to share the workspace, you can select the three dots and then click Share Workspace. When sharing a workspace, you can add someone to a predefined role, and you can add them to a user group. Both are optional. Then, just simply add their email address. Once completed, the invited user would then be able to accept the invitation and be able to collaborate with you within this particular workspace. Now, if we click on another tile, you'll see we have the same information and the same abilities to access and to edit. The same with this one. This means that I'm set up as admin on these three accounts. If I click the three dots on the FARO Demo workspace, you'll see that I'm limited in what I can do. I have information, or I can hide this workspace. That means that I don't have any admin or manager permissions within this workspace. This is a workspace that somebody has invited me to collaborate in as a simple user. To access the workspace, simply click on it. You'll see this then takes me to my WebShare cloud, and you should be able to see all of the projects that are uploaded here. Same thing, if I click on the demo workspace, it will open, and you can see there's other projects available. These are the projects that reside within this workspace to which I've been invited. So take a look at the ways you can filter and organize your workspaces. Filtering can help when you've been invited to multiple workspaces you need to sort through. You filter by name by typing in the name you're looking for. You can choose to view the workspaces as a list, which allows you to see all the information in a single glance. The three dots button is also available in the list view. We view as tiles, which is the default. Gives you a little bit more information. Clicking this button will change what you sort by. So if you want to see projects that have been shared with you, you can sort that and have those first. The icon furthest to the right is Filters. If you click on this Filters button, you can filter by creation date, the last visit, or share date. Alternatively, you can filter by workspace. So these are all the workspaces that I have access to. And you can see the ones that I've checked are the ones that are visible on my workspace landing page.